Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna be doing this until my friend pulls up. So my friend's gonna be pulling up in like probably, I don't know, some time, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this until then. I don't know if I can hear me. Let me check if y'all can hear. Hello? 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 Yes? No? Okay. In between? Okay. Cool. Okay. So I think it was. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let me see if I can fix the problem that's here. So as y'all can see, this is fucked up. So we make hold on. Um, you just pull up here. This is the file. Where is it? I don't see the file here, so it's pretty fucking annoying. Okay. As y'all can see, if I click on this, if I go in here, pull here, boom. So this is the product. So if it's using the image, or you can or use logo.png, then that should work with. So it's not using this, right? So it's all good. So if there's no image, right? So if there's no image, it's not really updating anything. So product details. So let's say image. Exactly. So it's supposed to. So you can type this here. See? So it's appearing over here. Go on. So in that case, it should work, right? So what's this? That's fine, but that's odd. Interesting. Stay anywhere else? Let me try to fix this real quick. It's not a big deal, but it's fucking annoying, so yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine for now. Product grid. Mm. If there's no images, then show this. Pretty much. Okay, so anyways, that's this one, right? That's this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to fix the problem in terms of why this happens. See? Just like refreshes the whole thing. See? It's like it does that. So I'm gonna fix the category filtering then. So say for example all products, and we're gonna go towards product filters right here. I'm going to grab this one, so there we go. So let's say for example I'm gonna use Claude for this for now to understand what the problem is. um Make it stop refreshing every time I make a change, plus every time I make a change, plus when when I'm when I have when I pick another field in the same category, and then check field where product in the product exists after the other field, which displays as not no. If I do it the other way around, it works normally. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Of course, like this random is so featured products, featured parts, and so we're gonna go and featured parts. We're gonna make sure this is featured products. Uh, logo. Add a cool. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's put this here, like right here. Cool. So if I refresh it, there we go. So it appears on top. So this appears on top for some reason. Okay, so it's working. I think it's working. I'm not sure. Okay, it just fucks up. I don't know what's going on here. Let me use another. Let's say, for example, hold on. I'll give you the same prompt to make sure the items display random order every time refreshed. Cool. So we'll have this sorting algorithm. And so we have what do we have here? We'll just have this running. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to what do you call that thing? I'm probably gonna use what's that thing called again? So I'm gonna use another AI model. This one, Claude, and I'm gonna grab products. So products right here. Make sure this is random every single time. Fetch products is over here, right? So fetch products is right here. Make sure products are in random order every time. All right, so we have pretty much we have everything in terms of featured products. So let me copy featured products. Let's paste this here. Is it working? Should be working. All right, so I don't think it's working. So okay, now it's working. It's fine. Cool, cool, cool. So we'll go here. We'll add the next part, which is obviously, so let's say for example, featured products. So featured products. So let's say for example, products page. So products page is fine. Let me put this to the side, for example. Products page. That's over here. So we're gonna copy this one. I'm gonna paste this here and see if this works. Cool. Cool. I mean, it is refreshing, so as long as it does that, it's fine. Cool. Yeah, it's doing its thing. For example, let's say, for example, we'll go here. What's up here? Okay, so we have this one, right? Which is filtered products. Filter. Bro, why is it not working? Go in here. Filtered products. For example, filtered products right here. Cool. So let's see if this works in the first place. If not, we'll use something else. Yeah, so it's not working. It's for sure. So no, it's supposed to be the products page. So cool. So we had this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this off. Duplicate filter logic. Okay. Where's it? Batch products, and this is fine. Wonder where the duplicate filter logic is. So yeah, sweet. Cool. Let it cook. And once that's done, we can just move on from there. For example, yeah, just keeps doing it again. We'll add more filter criteria later on. But anyways, it's working, right? It's working, all good. So we'll look at that. So boom, we can edit from here as well. And we can update product. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And cool. So we're gonna products page. Let me just copy this actually. Products page. Damn. Yeah, this is not working properly, so it's not working, so okay. Okay. Edge cases, yeah, so once this is done, we should have the, well, honestly, as long as I can commit, where is it? Product filters, I can get rid of this for now. Product filters, where is it? Product filters. So I'm gonna take a copy of this. Let's say, for example, Notepad. Let's take this. So this is the secondary copy, and we're going to take a copy of this as well. Okay, so once we have this, we can in fact get rid of those. Products page. No, products page is what I need to take a copy of. Now products, yeah, I can leave this as a, I need to get rid of this for now. See if it works now. Hmm. Let me do something here. Cool. Yeah, so this is not popping up, but if I do it the other way around, it works. See? So it's having a problem in terms of querying it twice. Yeah, so that's not working properly. So it should appear. See? Boom. So now it works. So yeah, there's a problem like that. It's okay. We'll fix that. And say for example, yeah, so this is super inconsistent, but it's okay for now. And we have this appearing here as well. So all good here. So we need to fix this problem because it appears as nothing here. And we also do need to fix up this problem. So description, for example. So let's say, let me call this guy. Okay. So I'm gonna say, for example, description. Let's say, for example, right here. So I'm gonna use this one, for example. Okay, so it's because of tab content. So I'm gonna scroll down all the way towards tab content. So this is the tab content. So it's under specs, specifications, compatibility, warranty. So we have make sure the UI looks good here. So let's say, for example, make sure. And yeah, from there we should be done. Cool. So for example, I'm gonna try restarting. variable settings. So for example, I'm going to, so this is the backend folder, is going to be the root folder, obviously, and it's node, obviously. So build command, no. Custom build command, no. So we'll keep it close by, and yeah, seems fine, but okay, so now it's deployed. I believe it's deployed, so I think it's deployed, I'm not too sure. So it crashed again for some reason. Let's view the logs. PM1, right, use Hamid dev instead. Right, okay, okay. So it's coming from here. So let me put this on GPT actually. Hold on. So let's go on GPT. And I'm also gonna do something else, which is so we're gonna install NodeMon globally. So right here we're going to install NodeMon. We're also so cool. So I think now it should work. Now once this is done, I think this should work properly. That was the files. So yeah, hold on. Yeah, 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 yeah. There's still a problem here. So we're going to fix this first. So specification, so the compatibility and the warranty is like fucked up right now. So we'll comment these two out for now, right? Because we don't really need that. So compatibility. Boom. Cool. Okay, so we have everything ready. So what we're gonna do now is make sure Cloudinary is doing fine. So let's say, for example, Cloudinary. Gonna install. Gonna log in with this account. I'm gonna make sure all the data is saved there. Okay. So now let me grab these codes and I'm gonna put these codes here. So it's go to API keys, cloud name, copy and paste.